Welcome to ProITBot AI. Imagine having a fun and innovative idea generator at your fingertips for your classroom activities. With our classroom activity idea generator, you can effortlessly create engaging lessons tailored to any grade level and topic. Think about it. No more struggling to come up with fresh ideas or spending hours planning. Just enter the class grade and topic, hit generate, and watch as our template provides you with exciting activity concepts designed to captivate your students' attention. You'll receive detailed step-by-step instructions, materials needed, and eye-catching titles that make learning irresistible. Plus, our template offers insights on team formation and generates activities tailored according to the topic, fostering collaboration among students while enhancing their overall experience. Imagine transforming your classroom into a vibrant learning environment where students are excited to participate in hands-on activities that reinforce their understanding of key concepts. With just a few clicks, you'll unlock endless possibilities for fun and effective learning. Now, let's see this amazing template in action. Check out our demo to discover how easy it is to create unforgettable classroom experiences with the Classroom Activity Idea Generator.